Be honest. This hurts to look at, doesn't it? But what exactly is wrong with it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Hi, I'm Niranjan, and welcome to Design 101. In this first episode, we are going to cover the absolute basics: contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. Rule number 1, contrast. If two items are not exactly the same, you must make them completely, drastically different. Absolutely nothing gets heard. Contrast builds your visual height. Repetition is the glue. Reusing colors, fonts, or shapes creates a sense of unity. It's what makes a brand feel like a brand. Rule number 3, alignment. Every single element on your page must have an intentional visual connection to something else. Never, ever text or images onto a blank canvas completely at random.
Use strong, invisible alignment lines to lock your pieces together.
Watch, I'm grouping the date, proximity. Aligning to the margin, alignment. Making pizza huge, contrast. Total time, 2 minutes. The exact master practice file is linked in the description for you to download. Your homework? Find a bad notice, fix it, and tag me.